This is a Nexus Phantom and it's coming in at over 32 feet. I love this thing and can't wait to show you all the things that we did to it here at WeldTec Designs. With this RV, it came into the shop sitting ridiculously low. The customer drove it all the way from Texas back to California, and he said, every time I pulled into a gas station, I felt like I was going to be ripping something off of it. Not to mention, he was always dragging the rear of this because it was so low. Of course, yes, here at WeldTec Designs, we're able to add some height to it. And the way we did that is our 6-inch off-grid package. What this kit is going to include is a longer set of radius arms. These are going to be 9 inches longer than the stock radius arm. And they're also going to include a new mounting bracket, which is going to help give you additional caster. And caster is your best friend. It's going to help that RV drive straight down the highway. The next thing is it's going to come with a larger coil spring. That's going to give you the additional height. What's also important is this coil spring also has a higher spring rate, so it's going to help reduce the sway that you would normally get in a large Class C like this. We added a set of 2.0 King shocks to the front of this as well. That's going to control all those bumps, dips, and uneven road that you hit on your next journey. The last key component to this kit is going to be the modified I-beams. You're going to get a new pair of I-beams which are going to correct the camber. There is one other thing that typically will add to the front of these RVs, and if you haven't done it, I would highly consider adding that, and that's going to be our steering stabilizer kit. What's really nice about this kit is even if you don't have a suspension package from us, you can still add a steering stabilizer from WeldTec Designs to your motorhome. And what's really nice is we offer these in 3 different variations. You can do it with a Bilstein, a Fox, or a King steering stabilizer, and you can add that to any Class C motorhome that you may have, and that's what's really nice. If you have a Class C motorhome and it sits really low like this one does, you're going to really want to consider upgrading the rear springs. So what we've done is we've added a new leaf pack to the rear of it. Now what's really important about this leaf pack is all the lift is built into the spring as well as to the weight of the motorhome. We did not have to upgrade the sway bars in this at all, and that's really important because it's keeping money in your pocket. The last thing that we did in the rear of this is we added a set of 2.0 King shocks. These are going to give you a really nice ride. One of the things that I did notice on this is that it did originally have the chrome wheels, chrome bumper, chrome hubcaps, and chrome grille. Well, of course, you know that I'm not a big fan of that chrome and love switching it all out. So let's take a look at the wheels that we did on here. These are actually the factory wheels. When we put the new tires on them, we sent them out and had them powder coated. It's going to give you a nice finish as well as keeping the cost down. And if powder coating your stock wheels isn't going to quite cut it for you, we have a nicer aluminum wheel, and you can do these in chrome or in black, and these things look amazing. We blacked out the front bumper as well as the grille, eliminating all the chrome features that this RV has. We did the valve stem extenders on the rear of this. That's going to make filling up your rear dually tires really easy. To finish off this RV, we went with a set of Toyo tires on it, and these are a 235/85/16. It's also fairly quiet when you get into like these all-terrain tires, so if you're looking for a nice riding tire that isn't loud, I would definitely recommend this when you're gonna have some really nice options when it comes to this tire. There's so many things about this Nexus Phantom that I absolutely love, and if you are interested in seeing some of the features of the inside of this coach as well, head over to my other YouTube channel. That is Jeremy's World 10, where I did a complete walkthrough on this on the inside as well as on the outside, talking about some of the problems that I noticed when driving this coach as it was stock. That's all I have here at WeldTec Designs. Thank you so much for joining me in my world.